Hi, welcome to Elevate Yoga. Today we're going to look at triangle pose. So Angelo is going to take triangle with his left foot forward. If you're open, you want the front heel to draw a straight line to the middle of the back foot. One of the biggest problems I see in triangle is people leave their back foot behind. So just take the foot out for now. And this ends up pulling their inner growing a lot, and it's just not the safest way to go about it. So the first thing that you want to do is look at the back foot. In this case, it's the left, and turn the toes forward enough. Sorry, in this case, the back foot is the right. Turn the toes forward enough so you can see the front right corner, essentially the Manduka symbol. The other thing is people stick their butt way out. So, yep, booty pop, please don't do that. You can see it looks horrible and it messes up the pose. So pull your left shoulder and your left hip back. The next thing you want to think about is energy lines of the bottom hand being in a straight line to the top. So here's my beautiful pink stick to test it, and you can see it is a straight line and shoulder blades pulled together. Kneecaps always lift up to the quads, and the back thigh is strong. It's not collapsed at all. So learn this pose that is such a strong, important foundational pose for more advanced ones. Look at all these points at home, be patient, and be specific. Thanks for practicing. Goodbye.